Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to work with a masked text box and a rich text box. It's cool. You can just so in this tutorial I've created a project known as masked txt and rich txt. I'm going to show you how to work with both of them. So I'll add a masked text box here. So I'll just add it here and call it MSK. Let's say font. Then I will also add a rich text box here, and I will call this rtxt. Let's say, let me call it license. Simple stuff. So I want this text box, a masked text box, to allow me to add a Kenyan phone number using the Kenyan format. Then this, I want to load some file, some message from a rich text format file, and add it to this text box, which is just already formatted. And so I'll just add with the formatting and everything here. So to create a mask, you'll just click on this small arrow here and say set mask. So on this part, you can select several masks, and you can see how they are just arranged. So but I want just to create a custom one for me, just specifically for me. So I delete this. So a phone number, a Kenyan phone number, will have plus 254, then a space, a 7, then I want the others to be 0 0 1 2 3 1 2 3, as simple as that. So I can see the preview how it will appear. So I don't want this bracket here. So this plus 254 7, then I can add the other numbers here. So I'll say okay. So I've already set a mask. So when I run this program, just allow me to add a Kenyan phone number. So I'll come here 07, let's say 23 456 785, and you see it can't allow me to add anything else even if I try. So when I delete this, plus 254 and 7 won't be deleted because it's already masked. So I have to start from here. So I can add now the numbers, just simple as that. They're just used for guiding the user what to enter, and it's just awesome. Like, it's cool. I like it, in short. So then for this rich text box, I want to, when I load my form, I want it to be filled with the text from an external file, which I'll call, let's say I'll call it license, which will ask the user to agree on that license to continue. So just to create that file, I'll go to our workspace folder, say workspace here. Then I create a file here, so you can see all the projects I have created. Oh, I have forgotten to tell you, sir, that I'm creating a file program which is called my time manager. It's just a program to allow us to manage our time. So it's a simple, and let me show you some demo, although it's not yet complete. So you can see if I open, I just created the registration form only. So you can see I can add a picture here. So if I click on that, it will allow me to add some photos. Let me see pictures. Oh, I see this nigga over here. Yeah, I can add my photo here. I can add my name, my pin. I can prefer a pin. Let's say that. Another pin. You can see how the password character is cool. Then I can say I'm a dot. Then I can save those. Yet not complete, so I just clear that. So that's simply how it's working. But that was not our main mission here. So we want to create a file here, and we want to make it to call it let's say license. So I'll just create, say, text document, then I'll say open. I'll open this, then answer license, let's say license agreement. Let's say please agree this is cool to continue. Yeah, you have to agree this one is cool. So so that you can continue. Yeah, so I'll just save as. Then while I'm saving, I'll change something here, so I call it license dot rtf. so I'm saving it as rich text format. So I'll save. So when I save this one, I just tell it this is noise. So you can see it's just allowing me to open it using WordPad. So when I double click here, the WordPad opens my file here. So now I can format this. So license agreement, let me put it to red, bold, let's say put it to center. Then I can change the font the way I want. I can increase the size. So for this, I can put it as center also, put it as screen, bold it, increase text size, and then I'll file save as rich text document. Then I just call it by the same name on the same folder. Yeah, sure enough, I want to replace that, it's obsolete. So after that, now I've created my file, so I just come back to my project here, and once the form has loaded, let me expand this a little so that our text can fit in. So once the form has loaded, so when I load, I want to load that file to my rich text box. So I'll say rtxt license.load file. This one is this is just a new, it's a cool new function. So I'll add to get the location of my file. It's simple. I'll come to workspace and right click on this and say properties. I can get the path here, so I'll copy this and paste it in here. So that's the location of my file. Then my file itself is license.rtf. then I close that, then I close my parentheses. So simply what I'm doing, I'm declaring the name of the control, then the property will be the load file function. Actually this is a method, load file. Then I'm adding the parameter needed is the location of my file, and Visual Basic will take care of the rest for us. It will just import the file and copy the text. It's cool. So when I run the program and my form loads, you see the text we entered, license agreement. Please agree this is cool to continue. Just simple as that. I can delete, I can edit, I can do some stuff there still. So it's just as simple as that and cool. You remember how to use the masked text box, and just as simple as that. That's how you do it. So yeah, simply as simple as. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like and subscribe on our YouTube channel, Sejonax Softwares. Thank you.